Welcome to Plate Bestie, a gamified multimodal gardening companion using Gemini 3 Flash. Plate Bestie is a phygital gardening companion that turns real-world plant care into interactive missions, like a traveling Martian visiting Earth for the first time.
Mission selected. Grow a plant.
Setting sensors online. Systems nominal. External specimen packet received. Awaiting mission brief. Visual mode. Visual specimen logged. Instruction log to mission buffer. Visual specimen logged. Motion mode. Recording Martian environment for 3 seconds. Motion data logged to the mission payload. Analysis buffer updated. Glorp.
Spectral sensors have locked onto this carbon recycling terrestrial. Great Martian moons, your tomato unit lacks the terrestrial efficiency to survive that parched, cracked soil. It will only improve temporarily if you provide immediate hydration before its vital systems fail. High-density cellulose weaving identified here. This region provides the primary structural anchor for the vertical mesh. Protocol switch to mini home garden.